When considering replacements for Brady labeler, there are several excellent options available, each with its own set of features and benefits. These include models from Brother, Dymo, Epson, Panasonic, and RhinoPRO. Firstly, the Brother P-Touch F550W offers wireless connectivity, enabling easy printing from smartphones and computers. It features automatic tape detection and alignment, which simplifies the labeling process. The large liquid crystal display, or LCD, screen allows for previewing labels before printing, ensuring accuracy. This model supports a wide range of tapes and label sizes, making it versatile for various applications. Secondly, the Dymo Label Writer 550 provides both universal serial bus, or USB, and Wi-Fi connectivity options. It boasts high-speed printing, capable of producing up to 71 labels per minute, making it ideal for bulk labeling tasks. The Dymo Label Writer 550 is compatible with Dymo Address Write software, streamlining address printing. It supports both thermal transfer and direct thermal printing methods. Thirdly, the Epson LabelWorks LW-600P offers both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Its 4-line display facilitates easy label creation, enhancing user experience. Built-in templates and symbols enable quick and efficient labeling, saving time and effort. This model also supports a wide range of tapes, offering flexibility in label design. Fourthly, the Panasonic PTP950NW features wireless and near-field communication, or NFC, connectivity. Its large touchscreen display provides an intuitive operating experience. The automatic tape cutting and dispensing feature enhances efficiency during large labeling jobs. This model supports a variety of tapes and label sizes, accommodating diverse labeling needs. Fifthly, the RhinoPRO 5000 is designed with a rugged construction for industrial use. It utilizes thermal transfer printing, ensuring label durability in harsh conditions. The automatic wire and cable labeling features simplify these specific tasks. The RhinoPRO 5000 supports a range of tapes and label sizes, catering to different industrial applications. When selecting a labeler, several factors should be considered. One crucial aspect is connectivity. Wireless connectivity allows for remote printing and ease of use, providing flexibility in where and how labels are created. Another significant factor is print speed. Higher print speeds will save time, especially when dealing with bulk labeling tasks, increasing productivity. Tape compatibility is also essential. It's important to choose a labeler that supports the types of tapes needed for the specific applications. This includes considering the material, adhesive, and durability of the tapes. Label size and customization options are important to consider. Evaluate the size and type of labels required, including the ability to create custom labels and use templates. This ensures the labeler can meet specific labeling requirements. Finally, durability is a key factor. If labels need to withstand harsh conditions, look for labelers with thermal transfer printing capabilities. These labelers produce durable labels that resist fading, smudging, and abrasion. Wireless connectivity provides the convenience of printing from various devices without physical connections. This is particularly useful in dynamic work environments where mobility is essential. Automatic tape detection and alignment simplifies the setup process, reducing errors and ensuring accurate label printing. This feature saves time and reduces waste by preventing misaligned labels. A large liquid crystal display or LCD screen enables users to preview labels before printing, minimizing mistakes and ensuring the final product meets expectations. This feature enhances efficiency and reduces the need for reprints. Supporting a wide range of tapes and label sizes allows for versatility in labeling applications, accommodating different needs and preferences. This flexibility ensures the labeler can handle various tasks from small asset tags to larger signage. High-speed printing capabilities increase productivity, especially in environments where numerous labels are required quickly. This feature is particularly beneficial for large-scale labeling projects. Compatibility with address printing software streamlines the process of creating address labels, saving time and effort. This integration simplifies tasks such as mailings and shipping. Supporting both thermal transfer and direct thermal printing offers flexibility in label production, allowing users to choose the method that best suits their needs. Thermal transfer printing provides greater durability, while direct thermal printing is more cost-effective for certain applications. Bluetooth connectivity enables wireless printing from mobile devices, enhancing convenience and accessibility. This feature allows users to create and print labels directly from their smartphones or tablets. Built-in templates and symbols streamline the label creation process, reducing the time and effort required to design custom labels. These pre-designed elements simplify the process and ensure consistency in labeling. A multi-line display facilitates easy label creation by allowing users to view and edit multiple lines of text simultaneously. This feature enhances usability and reduces errors. Near-field communication or NFC connectivity simplifies the pairing process with compatible devices, enabling quick and easy label printing. This feature streamlines workflow and reduces setup time. A touchscreen display provides an intuitive user interface, making it easy to navigate menus and create labels. This modern interface enhances the overall user experience. Automatic tape cutting and dispensing streamlines the labeling process by automatically cutting and dispensing labels, saving time and effort. This feature increases efficiency, particularly in high-volume labeling environments. A rugged design ensures durability in demanding environments, making the labeler suitable for industrial applications. This robust construction protects the labeler from damage and ensures reliable performance. Automatic wire and cable labeling features simplify the process of labeling wires and cables, saving time and ensuring accuracy. These specialized features cater to the needs of electrical and telecommunications professionals. Considering these features and factors will help in selecting the best Brady labeler replacement. A thorough evaluation ensures the chosen labeler meets specific needs and requirements. In essence, the best replacement depends on the individual needs and priorities. Evaluating the specific demands of labeling tasks is essential for selecting the right tool. Ultimately, the goal is to find a labeler that enhances efficiency, accuracy, and durability. This ensures long-term value and satisfaction with the chosen device. Each of these labelers offers a unique combination of features catering to diverse needs and preferences. The choice ultimately depends on the specific requirements of the labeling tasks. By carefully considering the factors mentioned, the best replacement option can be identified. A well-chosen labeler can significantly improve productivity and organization in various settings. Whether it's for industrial, commercial, or personal use, the right labeler can make a significant difference. Taking the time to evaluate the options ensures a smart and effective investment. Therefore, it is important to assess the specific needs and preferences before making a decision. The right labeler can streamline processes and enhance overall efficiency. Each model offers unique benefits, making the selection process an important one. Consider the long-term value and how the labeler will fit into the existing workflow. By making an informed decision, the chosen labeler will provide years of reliable service. In conclusion, selecting the best Brady labeler replacement involves considering factors such as connectivity, print speed, tape compatibility, label customization, and durability. These considerations help in making an informed decision that aligns with specific labeling needs and requirements. The different models from Brother, Dymo, Epson, Panasonic, and RhinoPRO offer various features and capabilities, each catering to different preferences and applications. Therefore, a careful evaluation of these options ensures the chosen labeler enhances efficiency, accuracy, and productivity in the long run. The ideal replacement will depend on the unique demands of the labeling tasks and the specific priorities of the user.